Good evening, students. Today's topic is Grade 10 Physics Work, Energy and Power. Ex-2A Numericals. In that we are discussing from question number 9. First observe the questions, try to solve it in 1 minute. If not, then we can see the solutions. What is question number 9 here? An ox can apply maximum force of 1000 Newton and it pulls the cart at speed 30 meter per second. Now they are asking calculate power. Now in this we have an important formula for power, nothing but force into velocity. Applying this we can solve above 3 questions. Now let us see what is given. So question number 9 in the solution we will see. They have mentioned if 1000 Newton, velocity or speed nothing but 30, and we need to find out the power. So P is equal to 1000 Newton into 30 meter per second. Nothing but we can say 30,000 watt, or we can also write it as 30 kilowatt. So power will be 30 kilowatt. Hope you have understood this, a very simple question. Similar one, question number 10. Power is given as 40 kilowatt and they are asking calculate the speed and load. Nothing but the force applied 20,000 Newton. Now let us apply the same formula and solve this. First try to answer this. What is given? Power is 40 kilowatt, nothing but 40 into 10 to the power of 3 watt. We need to convert. Next, V to be calculated and F is 20,000 Newton. Now apply the same formula. We can say 40 into 10 power 3, that is power is equal to force 20,000 Newton into V. Send force to other side. We get 40 into 10 power 3 by, so 20 into this can be written as 10 power 3 we know. So cancel this. Now we get 2 meter per second. A very simple solution. So I think you have understood question number 10 by applying the same formula. Now using the same formula calculate question number 11. Hope you have got the answer. For question number 11, what is the force exerted here? F is 150 Newton. In pulling a cart at a speed of 10 meter per second, we can take V is 10 meter per second. Next, calculate power exerted. Straightforward question. So power is equal to force 150 Newton into velocity is 10. Nothing but we can take it as 1500 watt. So with this we have completed question number 9, 10 and 11. Let us move to question number 12. Next let us see question number 12 and 13. Question number 12. A boy weighing 350 Newton climbs 30 steps each of 20 centimeter height in 1 minute. Calculate first work, then the power. See, we already know the given terms we write, then we will write the formula. So what is given here? Nothing but force 350 Newton. And then if you want to write displacement, we have 30 steps and each one is 20 centimeters. So we need to multiply this. So the displacement will be 600 centimeter. We can also write it as 6 meters. So we got two things. One is this displacement, second one is force. After that, how to calculate work? We know the formula. Work done is equal to force into displacement. What is force? 350 Newton. And what is the displacement? 6 meters. Hence we can write like this. So work is 2100 joule. Using the formula W is equal to force into displacement, we got the answer. Now second one. They say power is nothing but rate of doing work. So work by time. Now we got work 2100 joule. 2100 joule. Now how much time is taken here? The time taken is 1 minute, and converting into second you get 60 seconds. Substitute 60 seconds here. Now on cancelling this we get 6, 3 and 5. So we get 35 watt. Now using the two formula, that is work is force into displacement and power is work by time, we are able to solve question number 12. Now try to solve question number 13 in less than 1 minute, then I will give you the solution. Hope you have completed. Now work done. You know, work is nothing but force into displacement. Now if you are taking person A of mass 50 kg, we can write it as m into g into h also, or displacement. So he has mass of 50 kg and B is having same mass. He has done in 15 seconds, but A has done in 20 seconds. So if you consider A, so mass is 50 kg. If you consider B with the same mass 50 kg. Now G value also remains the same, and then they have mentioned the displacement H also will be same. So let us write H and H only. Now what is given? The time taken to complete the work is 20 seconds, and here the time taken to complete is 15 seconds. But very important thing, work is not at all depending on your time. How much time is taken does not matter, but here because mass is same and displacement is same, G also same, we can say that since work is independent of time, in this case, if you want, you can calculate also. So m into g into h we take, that will be 50 into h, here also the same thing, both are same. Therefore we can write like this, WA, the comparison is nothing but 1:1. Hope you have understood this, very simple. But what is the second question? Power. If you are taking power, you know that PA by PB, if you write work by time, that is TA we can take, and here also work by time taken is B. Let us substitute and write work remains the same, but A completes in 20 seconds and B completes that in 15 seconds. Now it becomes 15 by W, you can cancel W and it will be 3, 4. Therefore we can write like this. The comparison between the power spent is 3:4. Very simple question. Hope a boy weighing 40 kg of the mass you can take, climb the stairs of 30, each 20 centimeter height in 4 minutes. So let us write what is given here. In case of boy, m is equal to 40 kg of, and height or displacement we can take nothing but 30 steps into 20 centimeter, nothing but 600 centimeter, we can write it as 6 meters. Height, mass 40, height 6. Now G value, you know, you can take it as 10 Newton per kg. So time taken, he has done the work in 4 minutes, so 4 into 60, nothing but 240 seconds. This is the case of boy. Let us see the given terms in the case of a girl. M is 30 kg of, and the displacement or S is nothing but 6 meter. G will be same. And what is the time? 3 minutes. So convert into second, nothing but 180 seconds. Now with the given information, hope you have understood this. With the given information, let us compare the work done. Now very simple. You know W is equal to M into G into H. Apply the formula and you can get the answer. Let us write W boy by W girl is equal to mass, they have mentioned 40 into 10 into 6 divided by, so mass 30 kg of into G10 into, now the displacement is again 6 meter, so we can cancel, and the ratio is 4:3. Hope you have understood the work done. Now let us calculate second one, that is power. Let me erase this. See, comparing power is very simple. PA, or you can say P boy by power developed by girl is equal to work done by time. This is also work done by girl by time. Just now we have calculated what is work. M, that is 40 into 10 into 6 divided by, now the time is 240 seconds. Now work done 30 into 10 into 6 mgh by time 3 minutes 180 seconds. Next we get 40 into 10 into 6 by 240 into 180 by 30 into, that is here it will be, denominator becomes numerator, so 180, numerator becomes the denominator. Now cancel this. So here we get 3, 6, 4, nothing but 1:1. So the power of boy to the power of girl is calculated as 1:1. Hope you have understood this. Instead of this, you can also write, because you got the ratio here. One more method I am telling here, very simple. You got the ratio nothing but 4:3. Hence it is 4 by time 240 second divided by 3 by 180 second. This is very simple because we got work ratio as 4:3. Straight away we can write this. That is nothing but 4 by 240 into 180 by 3. So this way we can take it as 360. 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones and 6 fours, 4 and 4. So again we get 1:1. So the ratio of power remains 1:1. Hope you have understood this. Any method you can solve. Now try to complete question number 15. Given a man raises a box of mass 50 kg. So let us write a mass is 50 kgs. And height or displacement h is 2 meters. Time taken is 20 seconds. This is in the case of first person. You can take it as A. Now the second man, the same mass of the box 50 kg. So he is raising it to the same height. So hence it is nothing but 2 meters. But only thing is the time is 50 seconds. So they are asking in question number A, like let us take A, work done. Let us take A by WB. Now an important thing here to note. The time does not decide the work done. So you can directly write M into G into H by M into G into H. So here mass is same, G same. Hence we can take it as 1:1. Second one, what is the power? We need to compare. Second one. PA by PB we can take first person and second person. So here W by, what is the time here? 20. Second one W by 50. Nothing but 5:2. So work, we can say that it is 1:1 ratio, and power developed is in the ratio of 5:2. Now the question is, individually calculate the work done by each person and what is the power developed by each man. Let us solve that. Hope you have completed the work done. So WA is calculated as m into g into h. So mass 50. So what is the gravity here? 10 into h. Nothing but 2. So nothing but 1000 joule. Because work done is same in both the cases, we can also write like this: the work done by the second person is also 1000 joules. Now second one, what is the power which is developed by each person? So we know PA is equal to work done by A by time taken. What is the work done? 1000 joule by what is the time which is taken by first person is 20. Nothing but it is 50 watt. Second one, the power which is developed by person B can be, again you know, work done by time. Work done is 1000, and how much time he has taken? He has taken 50 seconds. Nothing but 20 watt. Hope you have understood. This is 50 and this is 20 watt. Now let us solve the last question, question number 16. 20 meter deep well, and his father does that in 2 minutes. Now we need to compare work and power developed by each. First let us write what are the given terms for the boy. See here the mass is not given. So let us understand it well that if mass is not given, density is there. We know density is equal to mass by volume. Density is 1 and we need to calculate m by what is the volume given? The volume given is 20. So therefore m is equal to 20 kg. If water is given, if liter is there 20 liter, then it is equivalent to 20 kgs. So we can apply that. So the mass is 20 kg here, right? Next, same thing, the father also will lift the same. And what is the displacement? The displacement is also 20 here. So we can write it as S is 20 meters. Now the important thing, time. The time taken by the boy, 3 minutes, nothing but 180 seconds. And father does it in 2 minutes. So 2 into 60, nothing but 120 seconds. First and foremost thing, the work done by the boy and the father is nothing but 1:1. The important reason is here the work is independent of time. So time doesn't matter. Both the mass and the displacement is same, hence we can say the comparison is 1:1. Now power. So power boy by power father is nothing but you can take W. W by what is the time taken? 180. And the time taken by father is 120. Now we get W by 180 into 120 by W. Cancel W. Now it is 2:3. So the comparison of power is 2:3. Now let us calculate what is the work done in each case. Hope you have calculated. Now B, the work done is equal to mgh, we know. So now here what is the mass here? Nothing but 20 kg is given. G is 9.8 and what is h here? 20 meter. On substituting we get 20 into 9.8 into 20. Nothing but 9.8 into 4 into 10 square. 39.2 into 10 square joule. Okay. So we can also write it as 3920 joule. This is the work done by boy as well as father. Hope you have understood this. So now we have completed the numericals of exercise 2A from the topic work, energy and power. Thank you.